Metaverse lovers. This is Prism, and I wanted to talk about this amazing site I just saw. It's a variation of the Spatial IO that we're used to using. It's an alpha version, so I thought I saw this at NFT NYC, some IG live events that they were having. So they were promoting this alpha.spatial. So I wanted to kind of look at it in detail, see what's going on, and kind of look at some of the reviews. So it's very snappy, but also one of the cool things I found was that I could actually load this on my mobile device. So on my right hand side, I actually have an iPhone running here, and I'm running Safari app, and I've actually loaded this in. So I'm going to go ahead and reload it so you can see it running on my phone. And let's go ahead and reload it. So of course it loaded once before, so it may have some of the assets already loaded, but I didn't have to open the Spatial app, which I thought was pretty awesome. And the animations are really smooth and pretty quick, right? So that's pretty amazing. So I want to do a quick tour of some of the things I'm seeing in this new version. So let's take this tour. So first we can see that the controls sort of disappear when I haven't clicked on the screen, like I'm moused away. So that's pretty cool. And then if I select the screen, I'm now seeing a bunch of different NFT projects up at the top. And what I noticed is that they already selected the tigers, and you can see some of the tigers are up on the screen there, which is pretty cool. You can click on them, and you can see, you can like it, you can see the address from it. You can also click on this button. This I believe is so this is a Solana project, so it's going to, looks like Magic Eden. Yeah, so opened up Magic Eden. So Solana support is here. That's pretty amazing. And this is coming from this Tigers display. So that's amazing. What's cool also is that you can connect so maybe a smaller collection or not as well known. We can, oops, not share. So you can share it, of course. I meant to click on, there's kind of a button overlap here, but there is a wallet button. And now they had ETH selected. I had previously selected and tried out. There's now the Solana support, which is amazing. So excited about this. I've been waiting for Solana support. So the alpha shows Solana. I don't know where Polygon went. So I know they have Polygon in the main app. So hopefully they'll be adding Polygon there. But then you can just visit your gallery. Okay, so let's say I put in my wallet address for the Prism Pi. I have some NFTs in there, or Prism Treasury, and look at that. Whoa! All of the art just flew on the walls. That's a cool animation. I really like that. That's amazing. There they all are. So let's see if I click on one of these. Oh, I had previously, I liked some of this. So I was just checking. Okay, the like feature is there, so I can, remove a like, add the like. So now there's liking, which I've been waiting for something like that. That's amazing. Okay, so let's see. You can, and then you click on this. Okay, I guess, how do I get to Magic Eden? Oh, maybe this, oh, that button there. Okay, so the red button takes us to Magic Eden like we did before. And there's Prism Pi number 1. Yeah, so that's amazing. You can go right from the gallery right over to Magic Eden. All right, so let's see some of the other things here. So we're just kind of going down the line here. There's the wallet, and let's see if I can get the same gallery over on. Okay, share opens up this. Let's say it looks like the URL that's in my view is also the same here. So I can just, what I'll do is I'll just copy this link, and I'll put it right into my phone, and let's see how fast the phone also updates. So go. Okay, let's see, phone going, loading the art, and okay, oh, and there's Prism Pi is running right now on the phone. So I've got it on the desktop on the left and on the phone on the right hand side. That's incredible. Okay, so it picked an environment for me, right? So I didn't customize. Before I used to have to select like the gallery and all of that. So now it has some buttons on the right. So change the skybox. So I'm going to kind of stop the cinematic mode on the desktop and zoom out. So there, it looks like a what's that school project? The diorama. Yeah, so it's sort of the walls disappear. Look at that. If I scroll around, it disappeared. The walls are fading away. That's kind of interesting. So it looks like a diorama, like a shoebox. Remember the shoeboxes, and you had. Okay, but if I go inside, I think the walls come back in. So let's go back in, and then, whoa, there. Yeah, so there's all the walls now. So when you're zoomed out, the wall disappears. That's interesting. So from your where the camera, it moves out of the way. Whoops, let me move out of the way. That's pretty cool as you zoom out. So let's go. Sorry, I'm having fun with that. Let's go try the change the skybox button. What does that do? Okay, so it looks like it kind of made it a little bit darker, like sunshine, like so maybe you'll be able to change it like based on the time of day. So it's not like date noontime. Okay, okay, so it's evening. Okay, but when I change it, it puts me right back in the center there. So let's see. Maybe it wants to make sure that it. Oh, and this cool shadow effect is pretty cool. So based on the light, we're seeing the shadow come there. That's really neat. Let's go in and there's another button here. I know it's a little hard to see, but there was a change. Maybe it's just because of the skybox color. Okay, okay. As we're zoomed in, we can see a little better. So there's also a change environment. So let's click that change environment. What does that do? Oh, look at that. We have a totally different gallery. So modern. The frames are gone. That's pretty cool. Okay, so it also removed the wall there as I zoomed out. Let me zoom in. Okay. And then, wow, look at that. Okay, some of the walls don't have any art. That's interesting. Oh, look at that. There's like a circle. When I walk, there's now like a circle. Before there was like a dot. So now there's kind of a circle, so it shows you where you're going. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so what else can we do? Maybe let me change the environment a couple more times. That was fun to see it kind of switch. Okay, whoop, I'm standing in the wall now. Let me move. Oh, okay, so it looks kind of like an archway. The wall is, okay, now, all right, so it zoomed me into one of the pieces there. And then you can push the plus to get it into cinematic mode. And there it goes. It's just started playing. So one of the nice things, I guess, is that you don't get stuck behind a wall anymore because it opens up that diorama. The walls kind of just melt away as the camera is moving out. So I guess those are things where you had to worry about obstacles. There's no obstacles in the metaverse, so they just kind of melt away. That's pretty cool. Okay, and so you have shuffle avatar. Okay, so it turns off shuffle avatar, shuts off the avatar, and I guess that's cool. And then I can bring an avatar back. Oh, okay, so there I can turn it off again. Alright, so I'm able to switch avatars. So it doesn't have like the Ready Player Me like pick your avatar set up yet. So let's see. Hopefully they'll be able to bring in the avatar that maybe is attached to the wallet in Ready Player Me, or have a different wallet. I don't know. Maybe you can select one wallet for your avatar and another wallet for your NFTs. That'd be cool. Okay, and then it has some new features. I see you can record a video, and I did that earlier, and it created a web M file. I think it's a movie format that Chrome supports. So I'll go ahead and click that so we can just see what that file looks like. And we'll go ahead and stop that, and it created a web M file. So web movie file, I believe that's the name. And then taking a screenshot will create a PNG. So you can just say, take a screenshot, boom, a new PMG is created. So you don't have to have, it looks like screen recording software. We'll just do it directly in the browser. That's pretty cool. They have some help here. So the controls are very simplified. I think nicely simplified. We have some mobile support. So pinch to zoom, drag to orbit, right drag to pan, and click to teleport. And then just on the standard keys. That's pretty cool. So very simplified controls. And let's see what else. I think that's it. Let's see. There's an Explorer. Okay, Explorer lets us go back up to the top and see. Instead of having like an Explorer tab, the Metaverse, this default Metaverse environment is the Explorer tab. So before in Spatial, you'd have to be kind of on a web page, but now we see all these different popular projects. And it'd be interesting to see if you could see all the projects that you're part of, and if you have a separate a set of collections there, that'd be kind of interesting. I don't know. Let's see what else. Yeah, I think that's it. From what I'm seeing on alpha.spatial, a lot of the features also worked on mobile too. So you can open up. I think the experience was a little bit different as far as opening up Magic Eden. So you click on it here on the right. I'm on the right hand side, and I just selected it, and then you can click on this down arrow. Okay, I guess maybe there was a swipe, but it opened up the tab Magic, and then there's my Magic Eden view. So yeah, so you can open up Magic Eden directly inside inside Safari right there. There's no app requirement anymore. That's amazing. Congratulations, Spatial. This is a really great first step in this modernization and more integration and instant gallery creation. It's pretty amazing. If you like this kind of content, give me a like, subscribe, and comment what environment are you interested in seeing in this new alpha.spatial.io. Which are you going to try it out? Let me know. Let me know how it goes. And as always, have a prismatic day. Thank you so much.